Get your fill. A goose in California might be immortal. He was spotted with an arrow in his neck, but keeps on trucking. He has evaded OC animal control officers 4 times. Wow, that goose is pretty tough. Huh? What? Oh. Get it out. Oh, don't touch me. It hurts. And in Cleveland, a van was completely destroyed when the brick facade of a skyscraper came loose. Oh, my van. Oh, this has not been my week. In Eugene, a runner celebrated early and then had nothing to celebrate.
At the end, he gets pipped. He gets pipped by Marin Simon of Washington.
The hard-learned lesson here, second place is still the first loser.
Never make that mistake again.
In Denver, a gay TSA agent had an elaborate scheme to grope male passengers. He would signal to his coworker, who would then make the scanner alert to an anomaly in the groin area.
I'm sorry, sir. We detected an anomaly. I'm going to have to take a closer look. Please step over here.
In Georgia, a man shot an armadillo with his 9mm pistol. It killed the critter, but ricocheted and wounded his mother-in-law.
It was an accident. I swear. I swear. Ma, you all right?
I'm Phil Andy, filling Andy for FourCornersTV.com.